If you're planning a trip to Orlando but don't want to pay Disney hotel prices, we stayed at the Holiday Inn Resort Orlando Suites Water Park and paid just over $200 for the night, and we even got $80 cash back. Is this actually a smart move for families? Let's break it down. Orlando hotels can get expensive fast, especially if you're adding theme park tickets. So a water park hotel that keeps kids entertained on property, that's appealing. We stayed here for one night as a quick family weekend, and I'm going to show you exactly what you get. This hotel is located on International Drive in Orlando. That means you're close to Disney, close to Universal, and surrounded by restaurants. And although you do have to pay a fee for it, the parking is on site, which is super convenient. The check-in was a breeze, and the lobby is a total Orlando vibe. For those of you who don't know, this used to be the old Nickelodeon Hotel, and there's a lot of fans that miss it. So you'll see some criticism online, but I'm gonna be honest. The hotel is modern and clean. There is some construction going on because they're updating it from transferring it over from the old Nickelodeon Hotel. Those are a few of the things you'll have to look past if you stay here. We were pleasantly surprised when we were upgraded to a family suite. Walking in, there's a large living space with a kitchenette. There's a bathroom. There's even a master bedroom with lots of space and a kid's bedroom with bunk beds. Perfect space. You could probably sleep 6 people in this place. And finally, this is the real reason families book here. They have water slides, good for all ages, big kids, little kids. There is a second pool with lifeguards on duty. There really wasn't very much of a crowd, and there was plenty of seating available to sit places and lounge around the pool if you just want to take a break from going to the parks. And it's not obviously a massive theme park water park. They have 2 different pool areas. One pool area has a splash pad. The other is the one that has the larger water slides. Honestly, for a hotel of this size, that seems like a lot. And they also have a ton of other amenities. They had 2 arcades and they had a movie theater. We walked through a couple of the arcades and they had plenty of games. They also have 4 different food options available on site. They have a breakfast, which depending on the way that you book can be included. The way that we booked, it was not included in our stay, but it can be included in your stay. I bet you're wondering what this cost us. We actually only paid a total of $200. But here's where it gets interesting. We booked through a cashback offer and we received $80 cash back. So our net cost was $121. That changes the value conversion. If you want to know a little bit more about this deal, you can head over to my TikTok, Shimama Maps, and you can find out how to get this deal for yourself. This hotel makes so much sense if you're doing a short Orlando trip or even a longer Orlando trip. Maybe you're trying to avoid a Disney hotel prices. This is definitely going to get you a better deal. If your kids are in elementary school to early middle school, this is something that they will definitely enjoy. If you're looking for luxury, it's probably not your jam. If you're looking for ultra quiet, it's probably not your jam. If you're looking for a large, expensive water park, it's probably not your jam. Would I say again? Absolutely. I would definitely stay again. In fact, the next time we go back for the weekend, we're probably going to rebook it. It's perfect for staying somewhere that's exciting and has other amenities, but not breaking the bank. And it's probably about a 7 to 8 minute ride from all of the Disney parks. If you love practical family travel reviews where I break down real numbers about whether something is actually worth it, make sure you subscribe. I'm Shimama Maps, helping families travel smarter, not harder.